Welcome back to the next SmartSuite showcase. If you're new here, I'm your host, Nate Montgomery, and in this series, we show the ways that customers are using our platform. In today's episode, we're taking a look at how you can use SmartSuite for basic strategic planning, more specifically, how to track goals, initiatives, tasks, and status reports in a solution. Keep in mind that with SmartSuite, you're enabled to build the solution of your own design that matches your processes and company practices. This is just one example of how you can utilize some of SmartSuite's unique features to manage your goals and objectives in a more efficient way. We're going to be looking into this goals and initiatives solution here in this workspace. If you do want to download the solution I'm referencing today, there's going to be a link in the description below of this video. Let's dive right into it. We'll start off in our goals table, where we're centralizing all our goals that articulate what the goal is and collect a lot of information about the goal. In this all goals by department grid view, we have our goals listed with their owner, what is their status, fields tracking the achievement, as well as the time period and priority of these, and some description fields. In this solution, goals are at the very top of the hierarchy, with initiatives feeding into goals and tasks feeding into initiatives. In goals, we're able to visualize the progress of our goals in different views. And in a central place like a dashboard, we're able to keep leadership informed with what is going on by centralizing the most important data about our goals. So for example, we have some widgets showing goal achievement, how many active goals we have, the initiative attainment. These widgets make information super easy to find. By clicking on the widgets, we can see the details and the information about this metric. For example, in the initiatives, we can see what is the status, the percentage complete of the tasks, who owns it, and any status updates that might be relevant. We're able to embed other views like charts and grids to get high-level reports of the status updates and the initiatives going on by department. Going back to the grid view, we're able to increasingly give visibility to our team by using shared views such as this shared grid, allowing us to send it to people to read real-time updates into these goals. Permissions also make managing sensitive data a breeze by allowing teams to lock down certain pieces of information or even give out assignee access, which gives visibility into those that are assigned certain records. Moving over to initiatives, they are feeding into goals and they translate the goals into actionable plans. Moving over to initiatives by goal, we can see the breakdown of how our initiatives feed back into our goals, the status and due date of all them, and what department it is relating. If we open up one of these record views, we are brought into this page layout. We're able to customize where the fields sit on the page. We have a section here for overall information about this initiative. One reason managing your initiatives in SmartSuite is so effective is because you can roll up the information from the levels of the hierarchy into the goals. So in this example, we're taking a look at all of the tasks that relate to this initiative, and we're summing up what is the percentage complete. That way we can get that information rolled up into the goal. You can also see when status updates are submitted, what is the last date of a status update, which may trigger the need for a team or an individual to submit a status update. We'll go to that in a minute. Having these calculated fields allows us to automatically extract that information. Let's now move over to our task table, where we are centralizing all of the individual steps needed to complete an initiative. So this is all the work going into initiatives that make up goals. Assign ownership to individual tasks through our assign to field, assign due dates and priorities. Just like in other tables, we're able to collaborate right where the work is happening. We can work alongside our team, bringing them into the context of this record by mentioning them, which allows us to assign them tasks. The record assignments as well as the common assignments both will show up in the My Work section of our team, which centralizes all those tasks across solutions. We're also able to define dependencies and to show the relation between our tasks that make the initiatives. And you'll see that in a Gantt view. And then we're able to relate to our initiative and then to the goal that the initiative is a part of. We can visualize this breakdown of work in different views. So for example, a Kanban view, being able to drag things throughout status, but also in a time-focused view like a Gantt, where we can visualize the estimated duration of each initiative based on the duration of the tasks and the dependencies that they're making a part of. Our Gantt view makes scheduling super easy by being able to change the start date of a task, and it can schedule the succeeding tasks automatically. Our automations engine allows reminders to go out the work being done to make sure that work is being completed. In this automation right here, we have a reminder to go out when a task is due in 3 days. And we're going to send an email to the task owner saying it is an upcoming due task. Another automation also can send out monthly emails to key stakeholders. In this example, we are sending out a status update email to owners of a certain team, sending them a link to a status update form where they can submit their updates without having to log into SmartSuite. Those status updates are going to be fed into our status updates table right here. Here's an example form that can get sent out in the automated email just shown. When that form is submitted, status reports will be stored here where action items can take place based on them. Changes of the initiative status can be changed, or even task dates may need to be pushed back or moved, depending on what is happening with the status update. To summarize, SmartSuite allows you to manage your tasks, initiative, and goals, keeping them on track, feeding the right people with important information, like in this goals dashboard, allowing you to collaborate and centralize tasks inside of my work section, using automations to boost efficiency and keep work moving, and using various views to collect information from stakeholders like our status update form. That is going to wrap up this SmartSuite showcase. Once again, if you are interested in using this solution, there will be a link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.